This is the Keychron V6, full-size mechanical keyboard. Let's take a look at it. This keyboard comes with a USB cable, a switch puller, a keycap puller, a USB-C to USB-A adapter, and keycaps for a Mac. On the back of the keyboard, we have feet. They flip up. 2 different heights. On the top of the keyboard, we have the power cable port, which is a USB-C, and we have a switch to switch between Windows and Mac. Plugging it in, you can see you have RGB across the whole keyboard. You have your 10 key here on the right and your F keys up top. All the keys are programmable through online software, and the color scheme and patterns are also programmable. You can also turn the lights off completely with just a flip of a button and turn them right back on. Let's take a listen to this thing. I've been using the Keychron V6 for about 3 months now, and I'm just loving it, absolutely loving it. The style of the keycaps feels great on the fingertips. Pressing the buttons and feeling the switches, this one has the red switches, is really a good experience. And the keyboard overall has some heft to it, which is actually pretty nice because it won't move around your desk easily. The RGBs are super nice, they look great, and it's super easy to change the color pattern and the color scheme via the online software. You can even create macros on certain buttons that lets you just create one button, does a whole series of button pushes, which is nice at work. The full-size 10 key is nice for when I'm at work as well. So overall, just a great keyboard, and it is by far my favorite keyboard that I've ever used. So hopefully you'll like it too, and hopefully you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.